welcome to New York, 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 welcome to New York.
Everything that we do exclusive, make sure that it's all inclusive. I was taught make no excuses, as a man you can't be useless. Man up cause these people ruthless, hoes down, these thoughts clueless. Lobster Mac, I'm up at roof, Chris. From my tone you peep the smoothness. In this world you get the loot, then your dreams is gonna be lucid. Fool me one time, shame on you. Second time you gonna be foolish. All that BS for the birds, they come to me, I'm chucking deuces. I stay loyal to the soil, never out here breaking truces. On this road it's bumps and bruises, either you move smart or stupid. Nikes on my feet, yeah, and I got a couple swooshes. We ain't have a choice really, it was either sports or music. Came up in that 90s gritty, that's why this so therapeutic. And you know the flow like fluid, leave a water boy ruined. Always under the influence, catch me fresh up in the newest. But I'm always round the fewest, brothers that I call my unit. G with my G's, cause you know them hundreds be the bluest.
Niggas on some coward shit, always talking politics. Staying to ourselves, we've been proud of our accomplishments. Seen a lot of shit, but that don't mean I had to follow it. We in a different caliber, these niggas just some scavengers. Feeling like King Arthur when he grabbed the sword Excalibur. Always plan ahead, we've been looking at the calendar. Designated driver, but I'm sitting in the passenger. Stacking up our bread, we just watch the numbers adding up. I ain't gon' front, we gon' need a fucking ladder, bruh. All that shit don't matter, you can tell them niggas batter up. I need my pockets fat enough, hit her with that stamina. Her ass keep getting fatter, bruh. Pull up in the Maxima, turned up to the maximum. We in here laying tracks again. This hit was designed and it wasn't by no accident. Like Dill said on Tempo, had to switch up the tempo. And we never forcing vibes cause we keeping it simple.
This be space-time continuum breaking speech. Clocks tick-tocking, quit watching, I'm making heat. Get burned, turned, flip like a snitch. When I spit words, quick I spit the vicious shit. Then I dip swerve, driving to a lane less infested with lanes. And I cess burning, fuck who you saying the best. I'm playing chess learned, y'all was playing checkers, Papa Sans and my Passat. I was off the fucking rock and nothing changed cause I'm still on. 1 to a fucking million, I'm crazy beyond gone. Most convoluted mind in the world since the dawn of Swan. Conquer the world with wonton soup recipes like much love to the God beat. I'm probably afflicted with cerebral palsy. The way I keep slipping off these bits of odd speech singing. You could chase a dollar, yeah, you could chase a dream, but you chase a happy ending, that be something you ain't seen.
Bible on it, just 100 on the dash. Quick flip, clutch, quick, or this all could crash. I got the records that make up the math. I put my head down and get to the bag. You talking like I got you mad. To keep it real, I'm playing with you still. I rap part-time, so got more numbers than you ever will. Family members wanna make the will. When you up like a Smith in Beverly Hills. Heard they want my head, this heavy crown. Heard when you're up, they wanna bring you down. This is upstate, with killers, they clutch things. Fourth quarter shooters like C-Web with the set case. Johnson laid down a verse, he made me rap again. Ain't done a cypher since when Mace was coming back again. This is one take, don't run it back again. This epidemic is epic, gon' make them go cash it in. Yeah.
Straight from the middle, my middle finger erect. Is Xavier or is Zaddy? Make sure you speak it correct. I'm popping for my people, they peeking, peeping my prep. My nigga, get your money, make sure you keep the respect. They steady chasing the clout and we catching paper, it's opposite. Speaking on my name, just make sure you come on some proper shit. Coaching, calling plays, I done got it popping like Popovich. Niggas from my city retire fighting, they pop a bitch. Pop across the populace, eating pasta and lobster with rose in a cold glass. High hopes and low class, you bitter with your whole ass. Just plant the seed, it grow fast. What you eat is what you grow, only speak on what you know. Art gon' last forever, but the pain will always come and go. If they saying stay the same,